Assalamualaikum, good morning. My name is Vino Taftian Ahdan Muhammad with name 11223092. In this video, I will explain a summary from the file given by my college teacher. So in the first file, in reading docs, the document explains the structure, question types, and effective strategies for answering the TOEFL reading section. This section typically consists of around 5 reading passages followed by approximately 50 questions arranged from easier to more difficult. The questions are present in sequence, meaning they follow order information in passage. Purpose of reading section. The reading section is designed to test a candidate's ability to understand academic reading passage in English, identify main ideas and supporting details, interpret implied meanings, recognize vocabulary in context, and analyze paragraph organization and reference. Test takers are strongly encouraged to read English text daily to build familiarity with academic language and improve comprehension speed. Main types of reading question. Topic and main idea question. This question asks what the passage or paragraph is mainly about. Common keyword include topic, main idea, subject, title, and author's purpose. The strategy is focus on the first sentence of each paragraph as it often contains the main idea. 2. Ignore minor details and example when identify the logic. Now for the organization and paragraph relationship question. This question tests understanding of how ideas are connected across paragraphs, such as cause and effect, comparison, chronological order, problem solution structure. The strategy for this question are look at transition words and paragraphs opening, and understand how each paragraph supports the overall arguments. For the next type of question is about detailed question. This question asks about specific information explicitly stated in the text. The strategy for this type of question are use scanning technique to locate keyword from question, read only relevant sentence or nearby sentence instead rereading the entire text. The next type question are restatement or paraphrase question. This question selecting an answer that restates information from the passage using different wording. The strategy are avoid choice that repeat exact words without preserving the original meaning, and be careful of answer that sounds correct but slightly change the meaning. The next type of question are inference and implied meaning question. This question asks what can be logically concluded from the passage, even if not directly stated. Strategy: base answer strictly on the information given, and avoid options that introduce new ideas or assumptions. The next type question are reference question. This question asks what pronoun or preference word for example, it, they, which refers to. The strategy for this type of question are look at the noun before the pronoun, usually the same or previous sentence. and ensure grammatical and logical consistency. The last type question from this particular uh, file are vocabulary in context question. This test understanding of word meaning based on context, not dictionary definition. The strategy are read the surrounding sentence carefully, substitute the answer choice into the sentence to see which fits best, and eliminate options that do not match the tone of meaning. So general test taking strategy emphasize answer question in order as they follow the text sequence. Do not panic when encountering unfamiliar vocabulary. Focus on context. Eliminate clearly incorrect choice to improve the odds. Manage time effectively by not spending too long on one question. And be aware of trap answer that use familiar words but incorrect meanings. So for overall in this document emphasize that success in TOEFL reading depends on strong reading habits, strategic reading rather than word by word translation, familiarity with common question patterns, and consistent practice with academic English texts. That is all for this file. I will move on to the next file about the file name was listening docs. So this document provides a comprehensive explanation of the TOEFL listening section, focusing on its structure, question types, test formats, and effective strategies to improve listening comprehension skill. The purpose of the listening section is measure a test taker's ability to understand North American English as it is spoken in academic and everyday contexts. Unlike written English, the listening material uses conversational language, including idiomatic expression, informal structure, and natural speech pattern. Listening is emphasized as an active skill requiring concentration, analysis, and interpretation rather than passive hearing. Strong listening skills are essential for success in college lecture and classroom discussion. Structure of the listening section. The listening section typically contains about 30 to 50 questions and lasts about 40 to 60 minutes. All recordings are played once, and test taker must answer questions based on memory and comprehension. Usually, the type of recording are dialogues, short conversation between two speakers. Each dialogue is followed by one question, and focusing on mention, meaning, or focus on intention, meaning, or implication. The second type of recording are short conversation or maybe class discussion. This conversation involving two or more speakers, usually 7 to 8 lines long, followed by several questions, often academic or campus-related topics. So, the document highlights key difference between two formats. The computer-based test is computer adaptive, meaning question difficult change based on test taker performance. Test taker use headset for see visual aids such as image, map, or charts. And in CBT, once the answer is submit, it cannot be changed. But in paper-based test allowed returning to previous question and has no visual. Then again, CBT test taker control the pace while paper-based taker follow a fixed pace. So the key for this listening section, evaluate ability to identify the main ideas, recognize supporting ideas, make inference, it is about implied meanings, understanding tone and attitude, interpret idiomatic expression, and follow organizational patterns in lecture. So the strategy for this type of question, listening question, include maintain focus and avoid distraction, using nonverbal response like nodding and leaning forward. Concentrate on meaning rather than individual words. Ignore distracting visual and focus on audio context. Pay attention to verbal clues signaling topic change or emphasis. I believe that is for the second file. Summary. So for the next file that given by my college teacher are the name in structure and written expression docs. So this document explains the structure and written expression section of the TOEFL exam, which tests a learner understanding of English grammar and sentence structure as used in formal written English. This section measures grammatical accuracy rather than meaning or context. The purpose are to evaluate a test taker ability to recognize grammatical correct sentence, identify error in sentence structure, apply rules of standard written English, understand how word pairs and clause function with sentence. A strong grammar skill are essential because they reflect a learner's ability to write and understand academic English accurately. The structure of the test section is divided into two main question types. Number one is structure question. Test takers must choose the correct word for or pairs or phrase to complete in an incomplete sentence. The second one is the written expression question. Test taker must identify the underlying part of a sentence that contain grammatical error. The key grammar topic covered. The document provides explanation and practice related to major grammar area commonly tested on TOEFL, including sentence structure, there is subject, verb, predicate, and object, part of speech, nouns, verb, adjective, adverb, verb tense and verb agreement, active and passive voice, conjunction, coordinating and subordinating, conditional sentence, type 1, type 2, and type 3, inversion and question form, modals and auxiliaries, direct and indirect speech, adjective order and comparison, appositive and noun pairs, derivative and word forms, and proposition and objects of preposition. There are several strategies are emphasized to handle this section effectively. 1. Identify the main verb first to determine the sentence structure. 2. Check whether the sentence has complete subject and predicate. 3. Eliminate answer choice that break grammatical rules. 4. Pay close attention to underlined words in error recognition question. And lastly, number 5, do not rely on meaning alone. Grammar accuracy is the priority. So overall focus on this file are the document stress the success in this section depends on a strong foundation in English grammar rules, regular practice with error recognition, systematic analysis of sentence structure, and familiarity with common TOEFL grammar pattern. master of structure and written expression help test taker perform well not only in TOEFL grammar question but also in academic writing and reading tests. That is all for the third file, and the last file is about TOEFL as exam essential.pdf. This file is a comprehensive preparation guide designed to help test taker understand the TOEFL exam format, develop effective test-taking strategies, and improve skill across all test sections. The book focuses on both paper-based TOEFL and computer-based TOEFL, PBT and CBT. The purpose of the book are to familiarize learners with the structure and format of the TOEFL exam, build confidence through strategic preparation, improve performance in all TOEFL skill areas, help test takers manage time, stress, and expectation on the test day. The book emphasizes that TOEFL success depends not only on English proficiency, but also on understanding how the test works. So, to explain the TOEFL test section, number one, there is listening comprehension. This section focus on understanding spoken English in academic and daily situation. Includes conversation, discussion, and lecture. Test main ideas, detail in inference, and speaker attitude, and emphasize the important listening for meaning, not individual word. The second section, structure and written expression, is to test knowledge of English grammar and sentence structure, requires identifying correct sentence completion or grammatical errors, focus on formal written English use in academic settings. The third section, reading comprehension, measure ability to understand academic text, include questions on main ideas, detail vocabulary, inference, and organization. And lastly, encourage strategic reading rather than word-by-word translation. The last section is written section, essay. Requires writing a clear, organized essay in response to a prompt. Evaluate clarity of ideas, grammar, vocabulary, and organization. And stresses the importance of planning before writing. So the book, for the strategy, the book provides a structured study plan including diagnostic testing to identify strength and weakness, daily and weekly study schedule, gradual improvement through consistent practice, and balancing skill development across all TOEFL sections. The book also encourages learners to read English newspaper, textbook, and journal, listen to lecture, news, and academic discussion, practice writing essays under time limit, and review grammar rules systematically. Test day strategy and tips. The guide includes practical advice for exam days such as managing time effectively during each section, staying calm and focused under pressure, avoid common mistake and trap answer, using educate guess when unsure, and maintaining concentration throughout the test. A special countdown to test day section help test taker prepare mentally and physically in the final days before exam. And the additional resource, the final section recommend practice book and online resource, TOEFL preparation website, and language learning tools for independent study. Learners are encouraged to combine this book with other materials for maximum effectiveness. So overall focus in this file serve as a complete introduction and preparation roadmap for TOEFL candidates. It emphasize that success comes from understanding the exam structure, practicing, practicing this strategically, develop balanced language skill, preparing mentally as well academically. That is all for me. I hope this will get me an A. I have summarized all 4 files from my college teacher. I hope all of this will be good for all the listener out there. So that's it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.